2 bars of D and then we hit the top of the bridge. Go on, count it off, Johnny.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Never see it coming till it's gone. No, bear. I need kick and snare. Turn down the damn guitars. You're drowning out my lyrics.
The mix is good, man. You can't hear what I'm hearing out here.
Yeah, you'd be surprised. Set it the way I tell you and leave it.
The mix is just fine, man. Trust me on this.
Bear, I'm an old man. I get grumpy. Humor me. Damn sound man. They try to fuck up the opening act, makes the headliner sound that much better. That's their fucking job.
Got another half hour there, cowboy.
Hey there, partner. We're gonna be up on this stage till we get the mix the way I want it. You set the mix the way I want it, I'm gonna be up here rehearsing right through Tommy's set. All right, let's take from the top of the bridge. Let's see how Bear does. 1, 2, 3, 4.